We now need to set up our landing page for this step. The landing page is also known as the landing page. The idea behind the landing page is that we give people two main options. The first option is to give up their email address in exchange for your lead magnet, and the second option is to leave the page. To make sure you convert the best, you want to keep your landing page looking as simple as possible. The reason they call it a landing page is because we want to landing information out of those that visited the page. As you can see from my example landing page, you want to keep it simple. I am giving you the template for my top converting landing page. This page was not made with any fancy page builder. In fact, it was all made using a free HTML editor called Composer. This page has consistently been my top converting landing page, seeing conversion rates above 50%. With your landing page, you want to go for conversions between 35% and 50%, but if you can find a winner above 50%, that is all the better. So that is why I am including my top converting template for you. The main elements you want on a landing page is an attention-grabbing headline. Your headline should pull people in with benefits of what they will receive from your lead magnet. For example, if you are doing a lead magnet on the top 8 tax savings every small business owner needs to know about, then you would have a headline that could sound like this: discover the top 8 tax savings every small business needs to know. This would surely draw them in because it piques their curiosity. You can apply this for any lead magnet in any niche market as well. That's the beauty of it. So focus on a good headline, and a simple sub-headline. In my sub-headline, which appears below the headline, I say, follow this proven and simple formula for generating real income through the internet. For the tax example, you could say, follow this proven and simple formula for saving massive amounts on your taxes. To edit the landing page template that I am including with this ebook, you can use a free software called Composer that you can download at www.composer.net. Once you download the template, you simply replace the text wording with your words and replace the image with your images. If you want images, you can go to www.pixabay.com, as they have 920,000 free royalty-free images you can use. If you want an e-cover like I have, you can hire someone cheap on www.fiverr.com or use a software called Pixel Studio FX for all your e-cover needs. For inserting your web form, just follow the instructions found on the help section of your autoresponder of choice. These links were found in day number 2. They provide helpful tutorials for setting up your web form and integrating it onto your page. If you really get stuck here, don't be afraid to go to www.fiverr.com and type in autoresponder to find someone that can assist you for a very small price. Sometimes paying $5 to $25 to get something done right is much better than spending hour upon hours of frustration. Alternatively, if you want, you can create your landing pages and landing pages using pre-tested pages found at www.leadpages.net, www.clickfunnels.com, or www.optimizepress.com, which uses WordPress. Setting up the landing page is just one of the main things we wanted to accomplish for today. The next most important task is to provide a link to the landing page on all the pages that you control online. This includes your blog, website, email signature, YouTube channel, Twitter profile, Instagram profile, Pinterest profile, LinkedIn profile, Facebook profile, Facebook page, WeChat profile, resource box for articles you may have written and published online already. The point is, you want to get your landing page link out all over the web so people keep coming back to this page. You can honestly run an entire 6-figure per year online business with just a simple landing page like we set up in this step here in day number 4. So take this serious and get this page out there. Over the next 25 or so days, that focus is to drive traffic that ultimately leads back to this opt-in form. You want to get as many subscribers as you possibly can. Spend a little extra time today making sure all your bases are covered, and that this landing page can be found all over your social media profiles. It will greatly help you with the steps to come. Day number 4 assignment: set up your landing page and autoresponder web form for today's assignment. Then place the link to your landing page and opt-in page all over the web on the social media channels and pages that you own already.